Hello everyone and welcome to our presentation. We are Alisa, Tu and Darina from class 9ES at the Johann-Gottfried-Herder High School in Berlin, Germany. Today we will talk about food waste in Germany, its environmental impact and how reducing it can help tackle climate change. We chose this topic because it's a very serious problem. Our goal is to show people why it is so serious and how to reduce it. Also, we will calculate how much an average person generates CO2 every year just from food waste. First, Tu will inform you about some facts about greenhouse gas emissions like CO2. Then, Alisa will present the problems and the solutions of food waste, and lastly, I will tell you our conclusion.
Let me begin by explaining why food waste is a critical issue. In Germany, 11 million tons of food are wasted every year. That is a huge number, but what does it mean for each of us? On average, every person in Germany wastes about 130 kilograms of food annually. To help you visualize that is roughly the weight of 87 loaves of bread per person every single year. This isn't just a waste of food, it's also a waste of resources like water, energy and land. Additionally, food waste has a massive impact on CO2 emissions. Globally, it is responsible for 8 to 10% of greenhouse gas emissions, and in Germany, the average person generates 325 kilograms of CO2 every year just from food waste. Let me explain how this is calculated. For every kilogram of food wasted, about 2.5 kilograms of CO2 are released. Since each person wastes 130 kilograms of food per year, we multiply 130 kilograms of food times 2.5 kilograms CO2 equals 325 kilograms of CO2 per person per year. To put this into perspective, wasting just 100 grams of beef releases 15.5 kilograms of CO2, which is the same as driving a petrol car for about 78.7 kilometers. The scale of the problem is clear. In this project, we aim to raise awareness about food waste and explore ways to reduce it.
Food waste happens for various reasons, and understanding these causes is the first step to addressing the issue. First, at home. Overbuying is a common problem. Many people purchase more food than they can consume, leading to waste. Improper storage also plays a role. Food often spoils because it's not kept at the right temperature or in the right conditions. Second, in schools. School cafeterias often serve portions that are too large, and students can't finish their meals. Some meals are disliked by students, leading to uneaten food being thrown away. Third, in supermarkets and restaurants. Supermarkets discard food that doesn't meet strict visual standards, even if it's perfectly edible. Restaurants throw away unsold food due to health regulations or overproduction. The result? Tons of edible food end up in landfills, contributing to climate change and wasting valuable resources. Now I will discuss possible solutions to reduce food waste. First, you could make shopping lists and meal planning, what helps to ensure that only the necessary ingredients are purchased. And instead of buying in bulk, purchase smaller quantities more frequently. Second, in the cafeteria, they should serve smaller portions to encourage students to take only what they'll eat, or try the try before you take method, so that students can taste the sample before taking the food on the plate. Third, at the supermarket, they might set up a section for ugly products, offering a discount price.
In conclusion, reducing food waste offers significant benefits for the environment, the economy, and society. Environmentally, less food waste means fewer greenhouse gas emissions and reduced pressure on natural resources like water and land, which are critical for sustainable development. Additionally, the reduction of food waste will lower methane emissions from landfills, helping to slow down climate change. From an economic perspective, families and businesses can save money by avoiding unnecessary purchases and waste. Furthermore, reducing food waste also decreases waste management costs for municipalities, creating a more efficient and cost-effective system for handling waste. By changing how we think about food, reducing unnecessary production, and finding ways to reduce or repurpose food, we can reduce waste, save resources, and create a fair and more sustainable food system for the future. Thank you for your attention, and we hope it will help at least a little bit to reduce food waste.